say healthy, it's because we're using ground turkey, 85% lean. Okay, we're gonna use 2 types of beans, kidney beans, black beans. We're gonna have some diced tomatoes, white onion, 1 red bell pepper, some garlic, some spices, ground cumin, chili powder, vegetable broth, cilantro, and avocado are the. We're gonna use that to garnish. Okay, salt, pepper also. So this is gonna be a somewhat healthy chili, and you know what? This recipe works if you want to do it vegetable based. So if you do not want any meat in it, you can also follow the instructions that we are going to do, just leave out the turkey. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to start by dicing up onion and garlic and also my red bell pepper. All right, I have everything diced. We are going to saute this, okay? And while this is being sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and add chili pepper to this and cumin to this, okay? Everything I just chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and put in everything I just diced. I want to give it a little stir. I'm going to add my chili pepper. How much chili pepper and cumin? I'm gonna sprinkle enough to have an even distribution on top. If I would be guesstimating, I would say about 1 tablespoonful of each. However, cumin's very strong. I don't like it that much, so I'm gonna add maybe about a teaspoon only. I'm going to give that a little stir, and while that is being sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and cook my turkey. It's going to be very easy, very basic. It's going to be just a hot oil, hot pan. I'm going to throw my ground turkey in there, put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. Wow, the aroma, right, that's coming from the pot. Just with the chili powder and the cumin, with the onion smell and the garlic, it smells delicious. All right, so my turkey is being done. It's cooking. Once it's fully cooked, I'm going to throw that into the pot that has my onion and bell pepper mix. And I'm going to just, give that a little stir, maybe let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and just dump everything in there. I'm going to have 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, and 2 cans of black beans, okay? And I'm going to put between 1 cup and 2 cups of vegetable broth. And really, it just depends on how juicy you want it. I know some people that do not like their chili watery. I'm kind of one of those people. I don't like my chili watery, so I will drain the juice from my beans, and I'm going to go a little light on the broth. I want my chili to be nice and chunky. All right, so my turkey's done. I went ahead and tasted the turkey for taste. It was good. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my vegetable saute, mix it up a little bit, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm just going to add all the veggies in. Right, so that looks good. I'm going to start putting in 1 can of tomato, 2 cans of tomato, there's 1 can of black beans, 1 can of kidney beans, and my 2nd can of black beans. And in goes my vegetable broth. All right, that's it. Let it come up to a boil and then let it simmer for 20-25 minutes and it should be good to go. So 25 minutes. All right, so the 20 minutes is up. The chili smells delish. It looks good. So I'm going to serve it, and then I'm going to garnish it, and then I'm going to eat. All right, so I'm going to serve me chili, and I'm going to garnish it with some sour cream, some shredded cheese, some cilantro, and some avocado. And look at that, y'all. It's ready to eat. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's give it a little taste. Mmm. Mm. It's hot, but it's good. Amazing. Guys, like this video, subscribe, all that jazz. Leave a comment of a recipe if you'd like me to do it. If you don't like this video, that's all right. I'm going to make another video. Go ahead and like that one.